So there was this young boy of 24 years old who came to me. Actually, he was sent by his father. He was a son of a businessman, and the businessman, his father, just called me up one day and told, Vidya, can you just help me out with one problem? My son doesn't want to do what I want him to do. I want him to take care of my business, and he wants to go somewhere abroad and live his own life. He wants to do something which I really don't approve of, because we really have a big business in India, and I would love if he takes care of that, because what will happen once I grow old, I want to retire, I would want my family to take care of the entire business. Now that was a really complicated situation which was disturbing the relationship between father and son a lot. Son had his own dreams, father had his own dreams. What to do, right? You must have seen such examples everywhere. There might be case you have been victim to such kind of case as well. Some of you might have rebelled against your father and did whatever you want to do, while some of you might have given up for your father's wish and did what your father wanted to do. And now both of you are thinking, I wish I had listened to my father, or I wish I had listened to my heart. So you're struggling between the fulfillment factor. You're not finding the fulfillment of whatever you're doing. If you're doing what you always loved doing, but at the same time, whenever the thought of not getting along with father comes, then it kind of pinches you. Yes. And at the same time, if you're doing what your father wanted to do, but not doing something that you loved doing or you always wanted to do, is again pinching you and feeling that I wish I lived the dream of my life, and I wished I followed my heart, but I surely want my child to fulfill that. So such kind of things happen with everybody. So welcome to the club. I would say there are a lot many people going through same kind of issues, and you are not just a person who is going through it. So this is one thing that I would like to bring into your notice, that you are just not alone. There are many people going through such kind of battle. Now what happened to the son? Let us go back to the son. Okay, so when I spoke to him, what came across was he had gone through certain incident in his life when he was 13 years old, where he lost his entire faith in his father. Now that incident had such a big impact on his brain, on his memory, that he was not able to forgive his father for that. Somewhere he was growing with a regret, or you can say a grudge in his mind against his father, thinking that he doesn't care for me. All he cares is about his image, his own reputation and his own business, and he doesn't care about me. Now when we worked on him, he realized that whatever his father did, his father had the best of the best intention in his mind. So that is what the conclusion came out of the therapy. And once that was the solution he found, you know what happened? The son spoke to his father almost after 8 years. After 8 years, he went back to his home. He was staying at his home, but actually he went back to home. He sat with his father, he spoke with his father for 1.5 hours. And the father called me and he had tears in his eyes. And he said that, Vidya, आपने मेरा बेटा मुझे लौटा दिया. मैं इससे बड़ा गिफ्ट मैं कभी सोच ही नहीं सकता कि anybody can help me. So this is what happened, and that was, I should say personally, that was the best day of my life in my entire profession, because that was the first case that had touched my heart so deeply. I was able to unite a father and a son at a very deeper level. They connected and they spoke for 1.5 hours. Certain talks happened. Father complied with his wishes. He also complied with father's wishes, and there was no solution out of it. But there was definitely one thing going on. The lost love was rejuvenated between father and son. In coming sessions, he figured out what was stopping him from doing business with his father. What had happened when he launched his business earlier with his friend, and then there was a big breakup with his friend. The business partners had parted ways. They couldn't get along, and the first startup had failed. Then he went for second startup, but again that startup also failed, because again he did not get along with the business partner. So we went into the root of the reason why he's not able to get along with his business partners, and how he can henceforth have a strategy of doing his new business. Then he's got a clarity whether to go to a broad country and do a business over there, or he can do something new in India. Then a new thing came up, whether he should be doing his own thing or he should be contributing to towards his father's business. Then again a new thing came up, whether in his father's business he should be doing the business according to his father's way of doing it, or he can enhance the way, he can automate the things so that the business runs faster and maximizes the sales and improves the revenue. So it's like peeling of onion. He came up with various things, and eventually, today he's a big merchant in Gujarat, and he's doing awesomely in his business. He's handling his father's business, at the same time he's having his own setup as well. There is another agency that he's running, and that's how the case was solved. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Vidya, a counselor, therapist and a life coach who loves to give clarity to youngsters, who loves to give clarity to women also, who have lost their career or have gone through ups and downs of career, have lost the belief in themselves, and eventually they have had relationship issues at home just because of their identity crisis, just because of lots of failures that they have been through, or sometimes it is just their self-belief and self-doubt that is holding them back. And this is what I love doing. I love giving them clarity, I love giving them directions, and I love helping them advance in their careers, earn money, be happy in their life, live the life in context with love and joy and freedom. These are the top 3 things that I really value. I live my life according to these 3 things, and we really wish everybody lives their life, or who wants to live their life with love, joy and freedom. I would love them to tell that I'm just a DM away. You can DM me on Instagram. I am available @Vidya Ragotra is my Insta handle with double D, and on Facebook also I am there. I am on LinkedIn also. My website is www.vidyaragotra.com. Again, Vidya with double D. See you on the other end. Whenever you message me, I am waiting for you. Take care.